our dual drain boards with sink for our dishwasher. First off, the overall dimensions. A length of 48 inches. 48 inches length applies to the left and right drain board. We have a depth of 30 inches and a height of 44 inches. Minus the backsplash, we have 37 inches tall. Measurements for the height and depth applies to the left and right drain board. Measurements for the right drain board itself, we have 46 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Coming to the left side, measurements for the drain board, we have 20 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Measurements for the sink will include 20 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, by 5 inches in height. Included will be the strainer, along with the swivel head faucet. Measurement for that spout will be 8 inches, with the left and right mounts measuring 8 inches. Please note that the left and right drain boards will be cut to height to go along the dishwasher. Included on the left and right on each front end will be clips that will be inserted onto the lip of the dishwasher. And again, left and right legs will be cut to match the height for the dishwasher. Please note that the dishwasher is sold separate, as this demonstration is showcasing only the left and right drain boards. And included are the NSF stickers located to the left and right drain boards. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.